Good morning, all you wonderful people. It's a different one for you. This is just down the road from me. It's like a water park. Espo. That's where I live. I don't live in the water park. I live near the water park. I thought it might make a nice ring. It's quite a nice design. So I'm going to use my smallest punch that I have. Load of jets flying about today. Right, a bit of lube. Let's go over to see the darling of my life. There she is, sexy as ever. Right. You got any questions or anything you'd like me to do instead of bugger off? You can leave me in the comments. If you'd like to support my channel, I'd appreciate it. There's a little button bottom right hand corner of this video. You can hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon in that and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can check out my shop, it's in the description below. It's yourfingermyring.com. And well, that's about it, I suppose. Let's talk more do. I hope everybody's feeling fine and looking good. I mean, you've got to look good. If you feel fine, you've got to look good. I cut my hair 2 days ago because my girlfriend said I start to look like my mother. Hey, what a nice thing to say. Okay. I've had a few emails from people saying about my hands, how filthy they are. I mean, come on. What do you think I'm doing? I've worked all my life. They're working hands, you know. I don't sit on my arse all day playing games or whatever. Right, let's show it some love. I'd rather just do 1 ring a day. I might make a few videos in a day, so hence the hands look dirty, I suppose. I think this is going to be quite a nice ring. It's nice to have these nice designs on some of these coins, you know. Well, this isn't a coin, it's a token, but it's still pretty damn sexy. Look at that. It's even got Espo on it. Beautiful. Yeah, I like it a lot. And it doesn't matter which side I use because they're both the same. So, we need one of these. Too small. That's not too bad. You want to get it nice and level. We'll go over to Big Red. There he is. Right, pick up Sandy again. Yeah, all the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size for you, up or down. You can even send me your own coins. Everybody's doing great. Gary, Sarah, Bear, Freebox, Alan, Steve, Monkey. Paul from Australia. And coin silver 800. There's more of you out there, I know. Right, let's show it a bit more love. Right. Dry it off. I'll go over. This is my bestest mate. Right. You got any other ideas of something you'd like me to make? Drop them down in the comments. I'll give it a go for you. I think it needs a bit more love. I'll give it a couple more pumps on spike. Yeah, that's good. How's that looking? Yeah, the bow is out of it. So we now just want to straighten up them walls. So we go to the bottom end of spike. And we'll whack it in. We'll whack it in this one. It's a little bit protruding. You got any questions on what I'm doing or how to do something? Hey, I'm no expert. I've only been doing this 5 minutes. But if you want any help, I'll gladly give you my best shout. Because this ain't rocket science. I'm looking with my eye as well. Because the camera gives a false sort of... Sometimes they look terrible when you look with your eye. I suppose it's the lens on these, you know, phones. They're not proper cameras, are they? Just want to clean up that inside edge. There's a little bit of a lip there. See that? I'm going to get that out. That's pretty damn sexy. Right, let's flake out. Another one of these. Because look at her. She just doesn't behave herself anymore. This is Kate's twin. This is Kate's, I think this must be about Kate's 80th twin. She's got loads of twins. There you go. Look at that. Sexy or what? Come on. Oh yeah, this is going to come up rather sexy. I love it already. Wow. Bit more volume. Ouch. I want to keep this one the Edwin look. I just think it's stunning. Look at that. Espo. Water park. Well, the wind just blew my door. I mean, it's a beautiful looking ring, isn't it? Right, what size we got? This is a size. We'll use the old Yankee Doodle magic wand today, I think. This is a size, it's just over 10, 10 and a quarter-ish. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. But there you go. It's pretty damn sexy, isn't it? Does anybody would like this ring? It's the only one I've got. I can make it any size you want, within reason. Thanks for watching. Hear that wind? Wow. And I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye-bye.